Hello and welcome to Cooper's Corner. It's Friday, it's furlough, and it's time for a little bit of fun. Obviously none of this is taken too seriously. So here's the arrival of my new gadget. I thought I'd unpack it because I've been a little bit busy in lockdown, just pottering around. So here we go. Let's have a look at the new toy. Here we go. Instruction manual. Plate. Let's get it unpacked. We've got a rod here. One, two boxes. So in this first box we have got an only fire 4-watt electric rotisserie motor, and in this box we've got our rotisserie claws, we've got our stabilising bar, we've got our motor stand by the looks of it, we've got some pieces here which look like some type of height adjustment pieces, and some fixings. So this is my new toy, and in a moment you'll see it all put together and ready to go on the barbecue. Well, here we go guys, all set up and power's on. So if I come round to here and I just switch this on, you'll see nice slow speed. It's all forward lined, ready for today's birthday cookout. That's going to take about 6 hours. But there we go. New toy. Happy birthday to me.